Hi, I'm Chris Reid. I'm a GP in Kerry, and I'm really lucky to be here today with June, my friend, who's coming to talk with me this afternoon at the college's conference. What we're going to talk about, June?
We're going to be talking about the book that was launched.
We launched it. When was it? We launched it in October last year, and thanks to your help, we had I think 300 people, didn't it, turn up for the launch of the book?
It's pretty tight. Yes.
Now I photographed you as part of this project, and you ended up on the cover. And I always remember when you were sitting in the surgery when it had been leaked you were going to be on the cover. And I was worried you were going to either punch me or hug me. What were you thinking at the time? You can be honest now.
I had to be honest, yes. Mentally I was looking at punching, and I thought, oh no, it'll have to be a good thing.
Yeah.
So yes, very good.
I mean, through the lens of a patient, how do you think it affected our community?
To me, it opened up many doors where many of our illnesses we do on our own, and yet unbeknown to us, the doors that was open was actually to others who are strangers, complete strangers to you. So that's what the book has done for me.
I felt the overwhelming response, where if you gave a little bit to your community, you got so much more back.
You're right.
Yeah. Because I was always nervous about making sure the patients in the book were going to be okay with it, but it was actually the patients who weren't in the book seemed to be more disappointed.
Yeah, I guess probably the unknown stuff that they would have not known. But the journey has been great for me, and looking at others. I'm talking about our cultural backgrounds has been a great eye-opener to our people entity, and also to the breaking down of barriers that has happened for many. And it's been marvelous.
Well, I couldn't have done it without your help, because when we got to that stage where I knew I needed a little bit of guidance, and you took the leads and organised a potpourri out at the Marae, and we went and talked to everybody, and that was the bit that was needed, in my opinion, and then you organised it from there, really, didn't you?
Yeah, that one comes through from my upbringing, which I'm grateful to my ancestors, my elders and my kuias. And being at home, that comes just quite easy to me. And to walk through those journeys has been wonderful. It's not about our culture, it's about bringing all people together in one place.
Well, when we launched the book and we launched the photographs to go with it, I was obviously, it was a very personal time for me, but I did feel it was. We've heard in the conference it was us and us, instead of this idea of trying to learn about culture. I felt everyone in the room was so happy.
Sure was. I liked that journey. Chris, I really liked it. They're complete strangers, and yet the heart was just telling you to just go through it anyway, and to see where it goes to. Well, we already know where it's going to go, because our health is important. People are important, and thank you so much for that.
I heard the story that out at the Marae a few months ago, there was people who had turned up to see you, and tell me a little bit about, in relation to the project, what was that about?
Yes, soon after the project that had happened, there was quite a few. Now, not very much European people turn up in our community. I don't know why that is, but I do understand. Probably it has a lot to do with a lot of fear factor stuff, and that's okay. It's all right. But that's broken those divides. It really has. And to do all that, you see them when there is some loved ones that have passed on. Oh my goodness, they've turned up at these tangies and funerals and celebrations, they've turned up. So if the book had done that for all of us, well, that's wonderful.
And I mean, I was it's caused me a lot of anxiety to make sure, you felt okay being part of it and being on the cover.
Oh, I didn't mind at all. Yeah, I didn't mind. Yeah.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah,
Let's have some fun this afternoon, eh?
Yeah. There'll be another journey.
Thank you.